pick Shelby up at the airport.
What's up, Shelby? They only had Barton. That's crazy. There's a bird diving. You'll see the bird.
We're going to Mount Qua Qua.
Wow. She's trying to get the monkey out. I think we're going waterfall now. My name is Billy. This is Sierra. And this is our dog Jetty. And this is Adrenaline, our full-time floating home and office. Join us as we sail, surf, swim, dive, fish, and kiteboard through new and exotic places every day. Make sure you subscribe below and sit back and enjoy. Good morning, everybody! So I just came, I had to drop Jetty on the boat. She's gotta stay. We'll monitor everything on our Siren Marine app, no problem. So Sierra's actually at the marina getting some computer work done where there's internet. Today, our friend Shelby's flying in and she's gonna stay with us for a week or so, do some adventuring, and we're gonna pick her up from the airport. So we're actually gonna rent a car to do that and then bring her back here. So that's what we're gonna go do now. Ooh, yeah, that looks good.
I figured we could share.
Are you excited to pick up Shelby?
Yeah, we haven't seen her since we left Florida. I think she'll love it here. She's like super into doing anything we want to do, so that'll be fun. And a good person to go hang out with while we explore this island.
Our car has arrived.
So my name is
Billy. Nice to meet you.
So first let's start with a driver's license.
All right.
So we have officially gotten our nice sporty rental car. We're gonna go grocery shopping, stop at the marine store, and then go pick Shelby up at the airport.
This here is basically
Are we up here right now? Oh, we're right here. Back to driving on the left side of the road. Here we
So
go.
we're back to the basics of maps. Thank God you're driving, because that would get us lost. I'm not sure why the US doesn't have cool cars like this, but other countries have the coolest cars.
Last time we drove on the left side of the road was all the way in Eleuthera in the Bahamas.
Yeah, because Dominican Republic was on the normal side of the road, right?
Yeah.
We gotta go there in a little bit. Now, what are you buying? That store, Island Water World, has everything you could ever think of. Literally everything. Fishing, diving, sailing, boating. Freezers, fridges, grills.
It felt like there was more stuff in there than there is at like most West Marines.
Yeah.
At least maybe just more stuff that applies to us, like locks and sailing hardware and stuff like that.
Now we're on our way to the airport.
What's up, Shelby? How are you? We're at the dinghy dock in front of the food store right now. Sierra and Shelby just went in to grab some supplies, and I'm guarding the dinghy with all our stuff. We went to the marine store before. This is one of the blocks we bought. They only had Barton and Ronston in the triple that I needed, so we needed one of these. We also needed another triple with a cam and a Beckett, if you know what I'm talking about there, but we had to order that one. So in the sizes we need, this is all they had. Otherwise, maybe we would have went a little fancier, but I think these will work good for a replacement main sheet setup. So it's pretty cool that there's a dinghy dock in front of all the places we need to go. Right here in front of the grocery store, there's a dinghy dock. Over there by the marine store, there's a dinghy dock. This is all Port Louis Marina right here. Sailboats, and these are all charter boats over here. Busy place. Guys got some good stuff.
Hey, you see that service? He helped us all the way here.
I know. You're like, wait. I know you. Who's that? Say hi. You know her.
You should feel so loved because that's so rare.
If it wasn't you.
That she doesn't freak out. Hi, girlie. I know.
There you go.
You remember me?
We're going to find a new beach. 3, go, people, go.
Jay's like, what are you doing up there? Whoa, 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 whoa!
Yeah, you can't do it 2 times.
We just found this secluded little beach here. Our anchorage where Adrenaline is right over here in St. George's, and I don't know, cool little spot. Look at this banyan tree, wow, that's crazy. Like little tunnels that keep going along the beach. That's so cool. You guys gotta see all these fish down here. Look at that. And there's a bird diving. You'll see the bird. Oh, there he is. So many. There's like little tiny shrimp you can't see, but all these bait fish are going after little tiny shrimp. And the bird's swooping down the bait fish. Oh, baby.
Yeah.
Brussels sprouts, arugula, spinach, pork, cooked to perfection.
If we get sick on the pork, blame Billy because he said it was perfect.
And quinoa. Good teamwork, you guys.
Woogity, woogity, woogity. I know, you're ready to go. Today we are going to spend our day with the car that we rented. So we have it till 7, so we're gonna do like a national park and some waterfalls.
Yeah, maybe some springs.
Hot springs, sulfur
Billy's being a
springs.
little slow this
Yeah.
morning.
We woke up, we got the lunches made, we got the hatches closed, we got the water filled,
Already 10:20.
warm jetty, and Billy's lagging a little bit. But I'm not like the other day, something like that, right? We're going old school, no phones, no Google Maps, just straight up mapping.
Wow.
You go to Belmont Estate to have lunch, and then you go over to Barclay Beach,
Okay.
and maybe drive up to Lavera. So you kind of conquer all of this.
Okay, we're ready.
Thank you. That's yours.
Thank you very much. So I think we know where we're going. I think we're gonna do one mountain hike and then head out to do one waterfall and then head to the north coast. But
Mount Qua Qua.
you never know. She said it could take like 3 hours, so we might be here for a while. But she said it was beautiful, so, and we can look for monkeys.
One's a mountain hike and one's a jungle hike.
Yeah.
2 waterfalls.
So wish us luck.
We're going to Mount Qua Qua, and it's about an hour and a half up and an hour and a half back. And then what's the waterfalls that we're going to later, Sierra?
Seven Sisters?
Cool, let's go.
That's Shoreline Trail, or Shoreline Trail Lake.
Found a hat. Look, I found a hat.
Landed on my head.
Jay's like, what is that thing? What is that thing?
Was that it?
It's not dead. It's stuck upside down, Don.
There he goes. Whoa, that thing is crazy looking.
He might have had his time limit. They literally can only live for like... What is it? Like a centipede or a millipede?
You tired?
I'm a little winded. Easy place to go on your...
Whoa! You alright?
You kicked me!
I read on the sign here in the, what do you call this place? The reserve? It's like in this park or reserve or whatever it is. Some of the animals in here are armadillos, possums, monkeys, some birds, different types of birds. On this mountain we're going up to, there's no monkeys. But right as we were getting ready to go on the hike, one of the guys warned us that the monkeys are terrified of dogs. And he pretty much politely asked us not to bring Jetty where the monkeys were, because and they want to bring people to see the monkeys, but if they see a dog they'll get scared and won't come out for like a few days, so apparently. So we're not gonna be able to see the monkeys with Jetty with us. It's much more natural and slippery and adventurous than like the rainforest we did in Puerto Rico, and no one else is here. We haven't seen anyone else so far. I think there is a group ahead of us somewhere, but we haven't seen them yet. Really pretty though. Definitely some steep sections, pretty muddy. A lot of the times when we do stuff like this, it can be slightly disappointing when we're really looking for some adventure and a little bit of a workout and something challenging, but this is fulfilling that need. There's St. George's down there, Grand Anse Beach right over there, the southwestern tip, like over there, area.
It's a little windy.
I was telling them that sometimes when we do this kind of thing, it can be slightly disappointing because it's not a workout and it's a paved path sometimes. And
This is a workout, no paved path, definitely slipped once or twice.
definitely an adventure.
We like it. We recommend it.
Look at that view.
Wow, so yeah, there's
Ocean.
St. George's.
I see a boat.
The
Is that
ocean.
St. George's? Let me get my...
That is down there, yeah. So I think that's the top, like right up there somewhere. Maybe up there. I think we're almost there. How you doing back there, Jetty girl? Good job. That was definitely the steepest part so far. Where are they? Oh, there they are. Look at that.
Woo!
Almost there. Oh, another steep section.
Oh my God.
It's like climbing
Going
stairs.
down is gonna be worse.
Steep stairs. Wow. Whoa. Look at these clouds up here. You're pretty sure we're going up there, right?
To the top.
It's like never ending. We think we're at the top, we're pretty high, and it just keeps going up. Well, right now we're going down a little, but then we're gonna go back up again. Uh-oh, slippery.
Back.
Whoa, can't see anything.
2 boulders and stop.
Is it? But these are 3 boulders. 1, 2, 3.
Does the trail keep going?
Yeah, I say we keep going. Wow. This is just 1 boulder though, unless you count that one. There it goes, clearing out. Oh, there's the east side of the island. I see the ocean.
Really?
Yeah, to the right a little. No, halfway between. Look at these clouds like flying up at us. Jeez. It smells so good too. Thanks. What the heck is this thing? I bet you this is the 2 boulders. Woo! Took a little rest at the top. Going down now.
So,
We'll meet you guys at the bottom.
that's how they said they
What happened up there?
I need to rest. We're all good.
We made it. We made it all the way back to the car.
Look at between the let me see. Oh, the dog.
Oh yeah. There's a monkey.
No, but the monkey's there, but the dog.
Yeah.
When I put the dog in the car, you're gonna go. I will try to get it come out. It does come out right here.
She's trying to get the monkey out for so we can see.
Really good. It's a nice photo, right? Not going to do you anything.
Hey,
If
buddy.
you sit here, you can even rub his back.
Oh wow.
Come, come, come. Look. Come. Come now, you have to watch your style, man. You want a competition? Come. It's children coming over here.
someday.
Honey, them with the olive. Grab it and
Oh, we can throw it?
He looks tired. He keeps yawning.
Hey,
I'm not hungry.
your meat, your chicken.
Ooh.
It smells good. Smell it, Billy. It doesn't look that spicy.
Garlic, it's not hot. This one was
Ooh.
the hot one here. This one.
See, you'd probably like that one.
Yeah, we're gonna get
This one is the hot one. This one, like when you're preparing your fish, your meat, your chicken.
Bye. Bye.
Bye bye. Have a good one. Where'd he go? He's lunchtime. We got to see a monkey. We got some local spices. We saw.
I'm so excited we saw that monkey.
Yeah, we were not
Last
expecting
minute.
that. Waterfall time? I think we're going waterfall now.
Mm-hmm.
In the brewery. All right, we made it to the waterfalls. 2 miles away.
You're asked to pay a fee of $2 US.
Where do we go? Up there? So just met some super cool cruisers in the parking lot who just got done with this waterfall, and they said it's the best waterfall they've done out of the 3 that they've done here so far, and it's really, really cool. And they kind of told us how to get there, so pretty excited. I think it's a shorter hike than up the mountain. I think we're almost there. We hear the waterfall. Whoa. We should do that. You can do it. Good girl. Yeah, it's like a ropes course or something right up here. Look, Jenny, waterfall.
again?
We ran into the same people we met at the other trail. Hey, come here, come. Say hi, good girl.
Challenge, right?
The walk? Yeah, that was a good one.
Okay.
Hey, you guys.
Hi guys.
How is it? Hey.
All right.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Shelby told us to go up this way. I don't know why. I think she knows a secret. Do you know a secret that we don't know?
He said after the first two, if you want to get to the other side, you have to go up.
Well, it's definitely a trail.
There doesn't look like anywhere else to go.
All right, this hike definitely turned into a climb. Go ahead. Go, 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 go. We're trying to keep going as far as we can, but it's turning into a little bit sketchy here. But it looks pretty cool. It looks like you keep going and maybe walk through there or something. I don't know, we might turn around here. That was a little sketchy, huh?
I just saw Jenny falling in front of my eyes.
We tried to get like we got all the way up there, but there was no way Jetty could get past a certain point. A little too sketchy, so we turned around. It's a cool spot, huh?
Yeah.
How cool is that place? Well, we think there's a few more waterfalls, but
We went up the wrong path to find them and now it's kind of late, so we'll come back some other time.
we're pretty hungry. I think we deserve some food at the brewery. And they have ice cream there. Hello. Hello.
Does that look like cinnamon? Or Adam and you think she'd let me pet him?
The animal you got down
If I had an apple, I'd feed it to you.
Look
but-
at his pupils, they're like squares.
For that.
Good job, guys.
Drunken ghosts, Sierra.
We walked far today. Hey guys, today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community which offers thousands of classes.
As you guys know, we've been having some diesel engine trouble, so I got onto Skillshare and I'm taking Savri 3D's course, Diesel Fundamentals, just to refamiliarize myself with exactly how diesel engines work and all the fundamentals of them.
As you guys know, we're always on the go, so for us to go in and join a one-on-one class, it's not really practical, but with the online classes, it's a great alternative for us, and it's less than $10 a month for an annual subscription, making it extremely affordable. So if you've been wanting to learn something new, now's your time.
Because Skillshare is sponsoring this video, you guys can get 2 months for free to try it out. Just use the link in the description and check it out. Let us know what you're gonna learn and hope you guys enjoy.
Thank you!
Thanks
Bye.
for watching.